Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A15 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to check RAM value in your phone Samsung Galaxy A15. First of all, go to settings of your phone here. Then go to developer options. You should have activated developer options before. Okay, go to developer options. Then go to memory, and here you will see 3.3 GB used. Okay, and total 8 GB. Okay, so out of 8 GB, 3.3 GB used. So total maximum is 8 GB. So you can understand that your phone RAM value will be 8. Okay, maximum 8. So this is first method. Okay, you should have activated developer options before, so that you can go to the developer options here. If you don't activated developer options, suppose if it is not activated, it will be like this: about phone, you will not get developer options. So to activate developer options, you have to go to about phone and go to software information, and click 7 times on the build number. Click 7 times and enter your screen lock. It will be activated. Now developer options activated. See here, below about phone, you will get developer options. Okay, in the developer options, you have to go there and click on memory to check the maximum RAM value. This is first method. Then next method, go to the settings first, then go to device care, and here total memory will be showing. Okay, so out of 8 GB, 5.3 GB used. Okay, so here also you can understand that your RAM value will be 8. Okay, so in this way you can easily check RAM value in your phone Samsung Galaxy A15. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.